What's up, everyone? Today I'm going to be showing you how to play the end event in 2025. First off, all you're going to do is I have all of these links linked in the description, so just head over there. And the first one you're going to want to go to is the Reboot Launcher link. And once you get here, you're going to see all these downloads. All you're going to do is click on the first one that says Reboot Launcher. You're going to go ahead and download the setup file. Once you have it downloaded, it should open up a nice little thing that looks like this. It's basically the Reboot Launcher. And once you have that downloaded, all you're going to do is want to come back over here, and you're going to go download node.js, and you're going to click download Windows installer. After you have node.js installed, you're going to come over here to the code and the launch server GitHub. You're going to click on code. You're going to click download zip file. Once you do that, you're going to go into the zip file. You're going to extract the zip file to a file that you're going to make, and you're going to call it launch server. Open up the launch server folder, and then you're going to see all of these. All that you're going to do is you're going to install packages. You're going to click install packages and then let that close. Once that menu is closed, that means you're good. Then you're going to click start, and you should get something that looks just like this. All you're going to do is minimize that, and you can close your folders. Then what you want to do is you want to come and download the Fortnite season. All you have to do is once you get to this link, you're going to see this right here. You're just going to click on it, and it should start your download. Then this might take a really long time depending on your internet speed. But once it's done, you're also going to create a folder, call it 10.40, and then extract this zip file into that folder. And once that's all done, you're going to come back, all the way back to the launcher right here. And all you're going to do is you're going to go here, you're going to click import. You're going to type in 10.40. And you're going to go find where that's at in your folders. Right here, yeah. Fortnite engine, or Fortnite game and engine. Make sure this is the folder that you select. Once you have it imported, you're just going to come over here, make sure it's selected. And then what you're going to do is you're going to come over to the backend. You're going to set this to a local backend. Make sure that the port is 3551. And all you're going to do is, as long as you have this open and minimize, you're going to click check backend. And if it says backend works correctly, you're all good to go. All you have to do is go over here back to the start and click launch Fortnite. Then you're going to click ignore, and I'll see you when the game loads up. Alright, once you get into the game, you're going to see this. It should be loaded up. You're going to come over to your lock. You can equip any skin or pickaxe or literally anything you want. It'll all load in game as long as you copy my settings. So after you're in game, all you want to do is come back to the reboot menu right here. You're going to go over to the host tab. You're going to make sure that 10.40 is selected. And you're just going to click start hosting, and then you're going to wait for the host to boot up. I'll see you when it's done. Now, once you get this menu, you have to be really quickly. You have to click this little bar that's counting down. You got to slide that all the way up to the max, and then let it sit there. If you miss this, and if it starts loading by itself already, then it's too late. You have to close and rehost. But once you do get it, if you stop it from getting to the bottom, you have 5 seconds, by the way, then you're going to come over here, and you're going to copy my exact settings. You're going to turn off no MCP. This is basically so you have skins and everything in game. You're going to toggle play event. This is how you play the event, so this is very important. You're also going to turn on infinite materials, infinite ammo, and developer mode. Make sure developer mode is selected just so that you can do commands. Now, once you have all of these copied, as I have right here, you can go ahead and pause the video if you need to. You're going to go ahead and drag this bar all the way down to 0 and let that load up. It may take a second based on your internet speed. Okay, now it's going to say joinable false. You just need to wait till that says joinable true. Okay, now it says joinable true. Once this says joinable true, all you have to do is click minimize and minimize the reboot launcher. Then you're going to come over here and you're going to click FN escape on your keyboard. And you should see this little bar pop up at the bottom of your screen. All you're going to do is type open. And once you type open, it's going to ready you up. You're just going to click OK. And then after you type open, you're going to type 127.0.0.1. Now, once you have this command typed in, all you're going to do is just click enter, and you should load into a game. And now, once you load in the game, you're going to make sure that you actually do get in a game. If it kicks you out of the lobby, that means that your startup menu or your hosting menu did not load up. So please make sure you reset your startup menu or your host. And try again. Okay, now I'm in the game. As you can see, everything did load up. You're basically on old Fortnite now. So, yeah, now you're in the spawn island, and as you can see, we are in the game. You also have infinite mats as long as you turned on the setting for infinite materials. If you didn't, that's okay. That really doesn't matter, but it's up to you. Now, once you're in the game, to start the bus, you're just going to head back over to the reboot menu right here. You're going to click start bus countdown, and boom, you're going to see the bus countdown starts. Now, just so you know, this is only single player at the moment, but you can play Reboot with friends, just not events. I will make a tutorial for that eventually. But yeah, once you load in, you can land anywhere you want. So I'm just going to land straight down. Alright, as you can see, I'm now on the ground, and the storm is coming. So what I need to do is I need to go to this Reboot menu here. I'm going to go to zone, and I'm going to click pause safe zone. So make sure you do that, just so that the storm doesn't get in the way. And once you click pause safe zone, you should be safe. That countdown at the top corner should pause. But yeah, to start the event, all you want to do is go right back over to the reboot menu. You're going to click on this event tab. If the event tab isn't here, you obviously did not click event once we started up the menu. So make sure you redo that. But yeah, once you have the event tab, you're just going to click start the end one time. And you should see something happen here. It's completely normal. This means that the game is actually going to start. As you can see, we have all the rifts. And just give it a little bit of time and it'll start up. You got every emote, literally everything in the game. And here we go, guys. Here comes the end event in 2025. You can hear it starting up right there. There goes the rocket. But yeah, if you guys have any questions or need any help, please make sure to join my Discord server. It's going to be linked in the description as well. I will be in there helping people as long as you at me. So just do at my username. Also, make sure to check fixes, the channel fixes, if you think your error is common. But yeah, make sure to like and subscribe and join my server.